Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this new Apple Card. Just got this in the mail, so I opened this up. Didn't know what it was at first, but that's what it looks like. Recycled packaging. Open this up. Anything in here? Use this envelope to securely send your titanium card to Apple for recycling. Oh. I guess you use this to send. Insert, oh that's cool, insert your previous Apple Card here. Seal envelope and drop it off with carrier on return label. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we go. New Apple Card, see what's changed, if anything. Here's what it looks like. Pretty minimalist packaging, nice Apple logo there. Wow. Very cool, very cool. Cool. I think this is what the previous Apple Card looked like, not sure, but Goldman Sachs, MasterCard. Yeah, really nice. Cool, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think of this card in the comment section below, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.